trees are green, red roses I should have bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. As the skies are blue and clouds of white, the bright red days, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger, its restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I reach eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on my